Most people believe money should feel hard to keep. They think wealth requires constant vigilance and stress. Wealthy people stopped believing that years ago. They replaced anxiety with something quieter. Money becomes easier when you stop treating it like an emergency. The belief that money is always slipping away creates that reality. You check your balance 4 times a day. You feel a small panic with every transaction. That feeling never builds wealth. Wealthy people decided money could stay without being watched. They built systems so their attention could go elsewhere. The difference is not income. The difference is the belief that money will behave. Most people treat money like a wild animal. Wealthy people treat it like a patient guest. You invite it in and then relax. The constant checking does not make it stay longer. It actually makes it harder to think clearly. Wealthy people learn to trust their earlier decisions. They set rules once and then forget about them. Every month their system runs without their involvement. This belief frees up enormous mental space. Space that most people fill with low-level worry. That worry feels responsible, but builds nothing. Wealthy people replaced worry with boring routines. Routines that require no emotional energy. The belief that money is fragile makes you fragile. The belief that money is stable makes decisions easier. You stop negotiating with yourself every week. You stop wondering if this month will be different. Wealthy people expect their money to grow slowly. They do not expect drama or sudden collapses. That expectation shapes how they spend their time. They spend it on things that compound, not on things that need constant repair. The belief you hold about money becomes your behavior. If you believe it will leave, you believe wrong. Wealthy people believed it would stay if treated well. So they treated it well and stopped checking. The checking is what most people call being responsible, but it is often just fear dressed as diligence. Wealthy people let go of that fear early, and their money grew in the silence, while others stayed busy worrying. The belief that money will behave is not naive. It is the foundation of every fortune built to last. You either trust the system or you watch it forever. Wealthy people chose trust and walked away. If this helped you, subscribe and leave a comment below.